Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa Spirit, and today in this video I'm going to talk about Matrix of Destiny, and I want to talk more about the basis and the origins of Matrix of Destiny, when and where it was created, by whom it was created, based on what systems it was created, and what can we learn and know from Matrix of Destiny. So Matrix of Destiny, it was created in 2006 by Natalia Ladini. Natalia, she was born in Soviet Union, and just briefly talking a little bit about her. And she has been always a person who was into learning about energies, learning about the world. Her main mission, even when she was a kid, she wanted to do something good and have a peaceful times in this planet, bringing the peace to the world and to the humanity. And in 2006, she created this system. It came to her dream, but it didn't come spontaneously. Of course, before that, she learned Reiki. She learned lots of things about the energy, about the biofield, energy biofield, all about different bodies. So she had a lot of foundation for this system to come to her and to create the Matrix of Destiny. So Matrix of Destiny, it's been around officially since 2006, so it's been 15 years, and it originated, as I said, as she was born in Soviet Union. So that's why a lot of information about Matrix of Destiny is in Ukrainian and in Russian. That's why there are not a lot of resources in English. That's why when you always ask me why I cannot find anything, is it a new thing? Can I trust it? Is it reliable? Yes, it's been around for 15 years, and it proved its magic. It proved that the system is working. Many people are using it. Just slowly started appearing in the Western cultures, and we just slowly started having it translated into English, and people like me, for example, sharing this knowledge to you in English, translating it from Russian and sending it to you and explaining it to you and teaching it to you. So that's why it's just slowly started being around. That's why probably you just started seeing it around more often, because again, as I said, it's been around for over a decade, but it's just appearing in Western cultures in English right now. What is it based on? Matrix of Destiny. We cannot say that it's just numerology. Like, yes, in majority of cases, we call it as a part of numerology based on the calculations. So there is a part of numerology. That's how we calculate it. We calculate using the date of birth. We sum up the digits. We subtract the digits, and we do whatever we need with different numbers. So that's aspects from numerology. We also have the astrology part, and we also have the tarot part, and we also have the octagram, which we've seen the octagram is part of many different other religions, and we've seen it around in many other books, and many other astrologists use them. Even the centuries ago, we can see them actually. The whole idea why we build square inside the square, it's octagram, and as I said, it's been used for centuries in different cultures, in different religions. So we have this part, then we have astrology, then we have tarot, the major arcanas, 22 major arcanas. Arcanas are coming from tarot, right? That's what we use in the Matrix of Destiny. And it's all about the energies. That's the whole idea about the Matrix of Destiny. It's more about the energies. It's about 22 different energies. That's what Natalia is focused on. She's focused on energies in majority of cases. And her expertise, her background is coming from energies and working with different energies. And of course, since it's been around for over a decade, a lot of things has been changing. People has been studying. Natalia, she has been adding more things to it. She has been adding more information to it, more knowledge, more things we can know and understand from Matrix of Destiny. The good thing about Matrix of Destiny, if you do it once, you don't have to do it a second time. If you do it once, if you do it properly, it's easy to learn how to build the Matrix of Destiny already. If you not new to my channel, if you watch my previous videos, you know that building and calculating the Matrix of Destiny is not that complicated, and you can learn all the different energies as well. Anybody can learn that. It's not something that is sacred and it's not possible to learn for other people. Everybody can learn Matrix of Destiny. Everybody can learn this system. So that's why, yes, we call it numerology, but it's actually the system of different energies. So we can learn more about ourselves. That's why it's called the destiny, the meaning, the purpose of this life, our karma, why we came to this life, why we may have some different obstacles and struggles on our way. That's the whole purpose of the Matrix of Destiny. It helps us to understand ourselves more. And as I said, if you know once your energies, like you have a session or reading once, that's it. You don't need to do it a second time because you already know everything. You just got to live your life following all of those energies and being and acknowledging all of them, acknowledging your karmic lessons, acknowledging all the struggles you may have. So Matrix of Destiny, it's not the system that predicts the future. It's not the system who will tell you like how your ideal partner will look like in the future. No, Matrix of Destiny is not it's not an astrology, right, which can predict maybe different future events which are going to happen. It's more about the energies. We can see the energies. We can see the energy for this year of your life. We can see the energy for next year of your life. Yes, we can talk overall about the energy, but I cannot guarantee you that's what's going to happen exactly every single time in this month that's going to happen. It's just not possible. So Matrix of Destiny is more about learning about yourself, who you are. And that's the purpose, Matrix of Destiny, your destiny. What's your purpose in this life? The mission of your soul. Why you came to this life. What are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to give to other people? Why you came to this world? To do what? What is your mission, as I said so many times? So that's why when we learn about the career, we can learn about the money sector as well in Matrix of Destiny. But it's more about how you can fulfill yourself, how you can realize your potential, how you can live to your destiny, how you can live to your purpose in life and have the meaning in life. Because many people are lost. Many people, they don't know like what's the purpose. Why am I living right now? What am I supposed to do? Why I came to this life? Sometimes we follow the purpose and meaning of life of what our parents want. But what do you want? What works better for you? So Matrix of Destiny, it helps to understand that. It will help you to understand the struggles you will have on your way. The same idea with money karmic lesson. It's just an extra tool, an extra energy you need to be aware of. You will know where you will struggle, where you will have some problems, and it's a place for your growth. The old karmic lessons are placed for your growth. They help us. They're not, yes, there are some obstacles on our way, but they help us. And by knowing all of those numbers, we have extra help and extra support, and things will start making more sense. Maybe if something didn't make sense, but you will understand it more. You will understand more about your life and why certain things happen in your life. Maybe there are special particular patterns which are keep on happening in your life, and Matrix of Destiny can help you with that. Love line. Love line is about what kind of partner do you need in your life. Why we need these numbers to know them? Again, it helps you. This partner will help you with your lessons. You will help each other. You will grow. You will learn your lessons. You will succeed in your potential, in your purpose. Again, it all comes to purpose. It all comes to meaning and living to your fullest potential and connecting with the divine and connecting with your true self. Karmic tale. The karmic tale as well is just extra lessons we gotta knowledge and be aware of during our life. We have generation karma. Again, some of them, it's extra strengths which we get from our family. Our talents. We can see based on Matrix of Destiny what are our talents, what our ancestors they can help us with. They can give you powers and they can give you strengths. It all comes to the Matrix of Destiny. We can see chakras. Why it's important to see chakras again? To understand your body and understand your health. If something is not working, you can go and see the Matrix of Destiny. If you're having problems with specific area of your body, in specific organ, you can watch it and check it out in Matrix of Destiny. And the Matrix of Destiny will tell you what energy is struggling. And if you work on those energies, you will heal yourself, you will heal your body, and you will help yourself. So as you could see, the Matrix of Destiny, that's why it's called the Destiny, or sometimes we can see it's called the Fate. It all comes to you finding your destiny, finding your purpose, living to your fullest potential, living your happy life, and giving this happiness, peace to everybody in this world. And when we know that, when our energies are positive, if every single one of us focus on positive energies, because Matrix of Destiny energies can be both positive and negative, right? And our goal is to make sure that they're positive. That's when we live to its maximum. That's when we reach the harmony, peace, and happy moments in our life. And if all of us, all people watching this video, I don't know how many people are going to watch this video, but let's say a couple thousands are going to watch this video. So imagine if every single person who is watching this video will go and start changing their energies to positive. How this world is going to change. If every single one of us works on themselves, work on the negative sides of the energy, work on the negative behavior traits, work on the negative qualities, work on the harm, because let's say 21st energy, it's about the harm we can cause to this planet. If the person starts working on this, imagine how the world can become a better place. Imagine how even you, just one single person, working on the energies can make a huge difference. You don't need to go and change another person. No. But if you start working on yourself, you will see how other people are changing. And they probably don't even do anything, but it's you who are changing, and other people are changing as well. And you will see that you will start having less arguments, less problems, less conflicts in life. That's the whole point of a Matrix of Destiny. To get to this positive level, to get to those positive energies we are experiencing in our lives, and live to do its best, whatever we were given in this world. And if you have any questions about the Matrix of Destiny, about different numbers, or if you have something to say or comment on what I just talked about, maybe you learned something new about Matrix of Destiny, maybe you got some insights from watching this video, that would be amazing if you share them in the comments below. It makes me happy always to read all your comments and help you to find all the answers and live to your purpose. And fulfill yourself and work on the positive sides of the energies. Thank you everyone for watching. I wanted to record this short video talking a little bit about Matrix of Destiny and talking about its basics, where it came from, originated, and the actual meaning of the Matrix of Destiny, why it was created and by whom it was created. Thank you everyone, and wishing you a lovely rest of your week. Thank you.